boys and girls, this is McLean again, and today we're going to be working on regrouping with addition. We're adding two-digit numbers that require us to regroup. Now, moms and dads, I know just from being in school myself, we called this then borrow and carry. But in today's math terms, it is called regrouping because that's exactly what we're doing. We're regrouping these numbers to look different when they're in a different place value. So I'm starting today with 59 plus 29. And I want to look at my ones. And I know that once I get to a 10, I'm going to have to regroup and trade out for a 10. So if I have 9 here, I know that I'm going to put 1 with it to make 10. And a lot of times it helps if we actually physically trade these out with students. If you don't have the base 10 blocks, like I have here in my hands, no worries. You can use different things at home, such as pennies or toys for your ones. And you could use toothpicks or Q-tips or draw pictures for your 10s. So I'm going to make a trade here. I'm going to regroup my ones to make 110. And when I do that, I'm going to switch them out. And I like to lay mine, we can't see that. Sorry. I like to lay mine across the top so we don't forget about this 10 that we just regrouped. So now I have only 8 ones left. So those 8 ones are going to be the remaining ones in my ones place. So now I want to look at my 10s. I have 2 groups of 10, 5 groups of 10, and 1 group of 10. And I want to add these up. So 2 10s and 5 10s is 7 10s. And I have 8 10s all together. So the number that when I have when I add these numbers together, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. The sum of these two numbers is 88. Now, I want to show you a way to flex these numbers. I'm going to start out with 59 again. There's 8, 9, and 29. 5, and there's 4 to make 9. So let's talk about how numbers can also be flexible. So 59 is really close to 60. Okay, so if I take 1 from the 9 and 29, I can put it here to make this number 60. I could even regroup that to make that number 60. And then make sure I take my ones away. So now I have 60. So I've just flexed my numbers back and forth. I've taken 1 from 29 to make this number 60. Now I have 28 left. So then mentally, I can think about this. If I have 60 and 20, that's 80, and 8 more, that's 88. So when I am first starting out, it really helps that we're using some tangible so I can get my conceptual knowledge of base 10 blocks and how these numbers work. But as time goes by, I can work to solving these mentally by flexing those numbers, making a number that, like this one, 59, that was really close to 60. We made it 60 and took 1 away from the other add-in. That is a way to think about addition mentally. Hope you have a great afternoon.